The world of e-commerce is evolving literally every single day, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a TikTok shop that is doing $16 million a month, and it's absolutely insane. We're going to be dissecting all their numbers. We're going to get very deep in the data, but we're also going to make it tangible for you guys that are building e-commerce brands out there so that you understand exactly what's going on and have all the tools at your disposal to start growing your brand. So first and foremost, the brand I'm talking about is called Dr. Maxin, and I have them pulled up here on Calodata, which is a TikTok Shop analytics platform. It's really good. They're actually one of our clients, and basically what these guys are doing is selling this skincare right here. So they sell all kinds of skincare products, but their best seller specifically is a collagen booster set here, like a bundle. So right away, we got a very interesting thing to dissect here, which is the fact that they are doing very well selling bundles. So what does that tell you about people's buying behavior right now? People are trying to get more for less. People are always trying to get more for less, but especially right now. Now, one interesting thing about their numbers, though, besides the bundle thing that I just mentioned, is that only 289,000 of that revenue is actually coming from their own self-operated accounts. So the majority of that revenue, literally $500,000 a day of revenue, is coming from affiliates. So they have done an incredible job at recruiting an affiliate army that is posting, let's see how many videos, almost 50,000 videos a month. Can you imagine the sort of content scale required in order to do that? That's literally the magic of TikTok Shop and why it's one of the most amazing opportunities for e-commerce brands, especially if you're an e-commerce brand with an amazing product. This is just such a no-brainer. Now, let me share with you a couple interesting things about them. So one of the interesting things besides their TikTok Shop is that honestly, they're not really capitalizing on their virality outside of TikTok Shop as well. They are in retail, so that's probably where they're getting the most bang for their buck from the virality that they're experiencing, and Amazon as well. But when it comes to direct to consumer, they don't seem to actually be doing anything crazy. So this is their actual site. Most of the traffic is Korean, as you see, 90% of the traffic. And, it's definitely exploding. 300,000 monthly visitors is a lot. So, with that estimate, we can probably estimate $1 million a month just from their site. And that's just in Korea. But here's the thing, when you look them up on Google, you don't really find them anywhere besides on Amazon. So Amazon is their number one listing, but they don't seem to care about a site, which is actually a big mistake in my opinion. And I'll show you exactly why that is. So first and foremost, the main reason why is because they are just they're gonna get scammed pretty much by other people. And it's actually happening at a really big scale. So if you look up Maxin here in the ShopeeLab.ai Discovery tab, ShopeeLab is a resource center for brand builders, primarily for finding trends and opportunities early so that you can capitalize on them, and also teaching people how to capitalize on them. But as you see, we got a bunch of stores, just using this Dr. Maxin content in order to promote their Korean skincare Shopify stores. So as you see here, we got several of these. These guys, for example, they're using this bundle and they're going to this fake Dr. Maxin site. It's called Korean Glow Store. And you can see, we actually can't see the traffic on this one, but we can see the traffic on this one. And these guys actually are starting to pop off using this strategy. So I don't recommend any of you do this. The reason why is obviously because, you shouldn't do that, but also because it's very short term. You're very likely to just get banned from Shopify by doing this. So you shouldn't really do this. What you should do instead is create your own bundle of products using the Dr. Maxin playbook. I mean, you can literally just steal their scripts. You don't need to steal their entire brand, right? You can just steal the scripts and apply them to your brand. So how can you do that? Well, you can source products on a platform called TeamDraw. This is our partnered global sourcing agent. It's absolutely free to use, and it's actually what I'm using for a lot of our brands that we've been launching and incubating this year. They can literally source any product you can possibly imagine, and I literally mean any product. So hit them up. I'll leave a link for them in the description, whether you already have a brand and you're looking for more products to source, or whether you're just launching your brand. This is definitely something you should use. Just contact them on WhatsApp and you'll be able to custom source any product. Again, it's free, so why not use it? Now, another interesting thing about them is their average order value, right? So the average order value here is $30, which also tells you that right now people are shopping for lower priced products. And let's say, on Meta, right, a lot of people will avoid this sort of price range because they say that it's not possible to make that work with Meta, but that's actually not true. A lot of huge brands, and some of the brands that I've reviewed here, if you're new here, I do this all the time. I dissect these brands all the time and try to use this knowledge and data and bring it down to earth to brand owners and my clients. I have an agency where we run paid traffic, but then I'm also helping brand owners through ShopeeLab.ai. We have an accelerator in there, and it's super cool. We have members that are doing $1 million a month, so consider joining. But a lot of people will tell you that this average order value is impossible to make work, and that's actually not true. I've even had some of our stores that we've launched several months ago do 3K days with a $29 product. But the key is exactly what they're doing, which is bundling, right? So you can have a lower average order value price, but you can bundle products together and create a higher average order value. And that's also what I love about Shopify. And one of the reasons why I think these guys are really missing out is you can, create that buying experience and make it way more custom than on Amazon or on TikTok Shop, where, you can just get that one sale. But on Shopify, you can upsell people in the cart. You can upsell people after their checkout. You can get their email and get them in your community buying things over and over again. So they really need to get on Shopify. Now, one really cool thing that you can do on Shopify, but you can actually do on TikTok Shop too, that nobody is talking about, is actually automate the entire customer service journey, even down to negotiating refunds. I know it sounds crazy, but smartreply.io just released this. So I'm a part of the Smart Reply team. That's why I want to talk about it. But at the same time, this is also a feature that I've never seen anybody do. And there is a top, I'm not going to say which one, but there is a top TikTok Shop brand that is using this. And let me show you, actually, I have a screenshot here. Sorry, I got my cat with me. She's just like, will not get off my arm. She just really wants to cuddle this morning. But anyways, you can see they just integrated this. And one thing you can note right away is we're saving them literally $8,000 a month in payroll. But you can see there's customer service guided GMV, and this is for TikTok Shop, mind you. So of course, Smart Reply is a Shopify native app, so you can use it for all your social media pages, including for your ads on Meta and Instagram, and also Gmail too. But now it also does TikTok Shop and TikTok Shop ads. So it's insane. Like, this is such an incredible feature, especially for brands like Dr. Maxin, where, they're literally posting 50,000 videos a month. It's impossible for humans to handle that sort of volume, and especially on the customer service side of it. So we've been working very closely with the TikTok Shop team to honestly just own that market. I want Smart Reply to just be the leading source of AI customer service and customer service related tech for TikTok Shop. So please, if you have a TikTok Shop, give it a try. But then also, if you know of any TikTok shops, tell them about this. And honestly, I'll give you a kickback that I think this is an incredible service to sell. I think becoming a Smart Reply affiliate is a really good idea. You could just literally charge people to set this up, and you're literally going to save them thousands of dollars a month in payroll, and you're going to be able to make them money through customer guided sales or customer service guided sales. But long story short, yeah, Dr. Maxin is absolutely just a crazy, crazy store to look at. I've actually done a video on them before, but they just continuously get bigger and bigger. And like right now it's March, right? I mean, it's not even the hottest season of the year, but you can see now there are literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 brands on TikTok Shop that have achieved an 8-figure monthly revenue in March. Like, it's just ridiculous how big TikTok is becoming. And I really think more brands need to take it seriously. And even if you can't get on TikTok Shop, right, still, there's so much to be learned from TikTok Shop, down to the angles, down to the products that are working, even the categories that are working. I mean, it's no surprise to anyone that, the beauty category is the top 2 brands, right? I mean, it's literally the top category. In fact, let's actually take a look Yeah, so there's $338 million a month in the beauty and personal care category. So if you've been thinking about a brand to launch, certainly take a look at these categories, right? I would highly advise for you to run a Shopify store in any of these categories, any of these top 10 categories. These are all amazing categories to launch a business in. And you have so much data that you can actually use in order to create content that is going to convert, right? So you don't need to steal these brands, right? You can just literally do what they're doing, but apply it to your product. I just showed you where you can get products for free, right? You can also use our template. I have a free template, which is actually exactly the template that we use right now, that you can use to build your store with. So pick any of these categories, build your store for free with this, and then use our sourcing partner to source any product that you want for free and add it to your store and get it shipped globally. That's also another thing I want to mention is this is US only, right? So this is only TikTok Shop US, but there's an entire world out there that you can target. And it's one of the cool things about shipping from Asia, right? Is that you can ship globally. So you can actually scale a lot bigger. And this is just impressive, though, to be doing this just in the US with 13,000 active affiliates. I mean, that is just ridiculous. Let's see the 180-day view here. So they've been consistently at 500K a day for several months now, like for almost half a year, which is just ridiculous. I mean, it's just mind-blowing, these numbers. And it just goes to show how big e-com is getting. These guys are literally doing 100 million. They're going to do 100 million plus a year just on TikTok Shop. And right now it's actually a hot market for mergers and acquisitions. So I believe this is, this could be a multi-billion dollar acquisition if these guys decide to sell. But maybe they won't, because I mean, they're just printing. So yeah, long story short, incredible brand. I wanted to bring it to your attention and dissect some of these numbers and try to, get some more knowledge out there on this matter. And then also showcase the new Smart Reply feature, because there's literally nobody that can do this besides Smart Reply right now. And there is a top 20 TikTok shop already using this. So I want to get it out there. I want to, tell the world about it. And hopefully you guys can help me get it in the hands of more TikTok shops. I would love Dr. Maxin to start using this. But that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.